MadCap Flare is a versatile program for content authoring and publishing, as well as web design and project management across multiple platforms from a localized source. With this program, technical communicators can choose a variety of different formats and file types to work with to publish online or in print. Today, I'm going to show you how to web design using MadCap Flare through a pre-existing HTML file. The file that I will be working with is the Chuck Norris file that we did at the beginning of the coding unit of this class. Look familiar? As you can see, all I have are the bare bones, the meta tags, the body, and all I've done to the content is add paragraphs and heading tags. Now let's go back to Flare. For the sake of time, I've already imported the HTML document and created a new project. Here it is. MadCap Flare gives me an interactive preview window so that I can see what changes I make as I'm making them. For example, I can come down here and edit stuff in the Word, and even add character and paragraph styles, such as italics. Notice how brackets appear around them. This lets me know that a style is applied here. I can also manually change the size of the image by coming over here to the corner and clicking on this yellow box and dragging it. It'll keep the same proportions as the original picture, so I don't have to worry about keeping it the right size. Another way I can change the picture is by defining it in the code itself. To do that, I'm going to go down here to the text editor and switch it to see the page in HTML. You'll see that it's already highlighted because I had selected in the other one. I'm going to change the width to 250 pixels by 300. Save, and go back to the XML editor. And there it's a much smaller, much more manageable size to deal with. Now let's add some styles. I'm going to come up here to the style sheet, and there comes a list of different styles that I can apply. Double-clicking on one brings up the properties panel, and there I can change the font, size, style, colors. And what I want to do is change the background to black and the text to fire brick red. Click OK, and then save. Always save after a change is made to the style sheet in order for the changes to take effect. Now this is what it looks like. Next, I want to wrap the words around the image so that there's all this big empty space. To do that, let's go back to the style sheet, find the image tag, and I want to position it to float left. And while I'm at it, I'm going to add some padding around it. 10 pixels should do. Click OK, save, and then back here. Notice how the awkward spacing is gone and it fits nicely against the picture. There are so many other things that I can do to this simple file, and I went ahead and created one to show you. Here I've added a lot more italics. You can tell by the blue brackets that surround them. I've added a side div and even a little picture to help break up the paragraphing and make it more interesting to look at. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what MadCap Flare can really do. A lot of users in the technical communication field can use this to design user manuals and help websites, and there are a lot of different templates and types of files that can be imported. I found that having an understanding of HTML really helped me learn this program, and I would recommend any other technical communicators to at least experiment a little with the functions of this program to get a working understanding of it. There are many different companies, universities, and organizations, as you can see here on the customer list, that use this program. The list goes on and on. So, I would recommend that anyone planning to go into the technical communications career field get at least a little understanding of this program for future use. Thank you for watching. To learn more about this program, you can watch demos and ask questions at madcapsoftware.com.